Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to set a custom sound for X notices on the X app. If you've ever wanted to quickly recognize when a specific type of notification comes through, setting a unique sound will make it super easy. Let's get started step by step. First, grab your phone and open your settings. This is where everything begins. Once you're inside, look for the option labeled Apps. Give that a tap, and you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Next, scroll until you find the X app. Go ahead and select it. This will open the app's individual settings where you can control permissions, storage, and of course, notifications. Now, tap on Notifications. This section allows you to customize how the app alerts you. From here, choose Notification Categories. Each category controls a different type of notification, so you can set them up exactly the way you want. Once you're in Notification Categories, find the option labeled X Notices. Select it, and you'll see several choices for customizing exactly how those alerts behave. Now comes the important part. Tap on Sound. A list of available tones should appear on your screen. From here, simply browse through the sounds, preview a few if you'd like, and then choose the one that feels right for you. This will now be the dedicated tone for X notices moving forward. With just these few steps, you've set a personal sound for X notices. From now on, whenever you hear that specific tone, you'll immediately know it's an X notice without even looking at your phone. Customizing notifications not only makes them more useful, but also helps you stay organized and avoid missing what truly matters. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how you interact with your apps every day. And that's it. You've now successfully set a custom sound for X notices on the X app. Simple, quick, and effective.